We'll slide headfirst into celebration season this month. May is full of it, right? Full of reasons to party. You've got the bridal showers, you've got the graduation parties, you've got the baby showers, and they all come with plenty of opportunities to decorate. Well, my first guest says that there's one party piece you should keep in your entertaining arsenal that you will pull out again and again. An A-frame display box, I'm told, is a very simple DIY, and it works for any occasion. Emily Price joins me in the creative corner to share the how-to. This is brilliant and such a showstopper.
Thank you.
Do you get fun feedback every time someone sees this?
Yes, they love it. It's just fun, it's simple, and they love it.
It can be repurposed for many different events, like I said. Tell us how we get started. What supplies would you need to make something like this?
Okay, so you do need some power tools, but you can actually get a lot of it just cut at your hardware store or whatever, but you need some plywood. This is just a 1/4-inch plywood, and then I grabbed just 5-inch like baseboards.
Okay.
And I had everything cut at Home Depot.
So this is the plywood, and then these are the baseboards?
So here's the plywood, the baseboards, and then there's baseboards on the back just to stabilize it, because I wanted it as light as possible, and then you need hinges. And so it sounds complicated, but once you get everything cut and glued together and nailed together, you just make it.
Voila. Well, talk to me about assembly. We've got the pieces. You broke that down. Very simple supply list.
Yes.
You painted them.
Yes.
And then how did you put them together?
So I started off by making, I just put each of these pieces on the ground and nailed it together and glued it together. And so I came up with these 2 exact same pieces and then hinged them together.
And hinging was just like a drill?
Yep, I just put them together with a drill and it'll fold flat.
Okay.
And
you've got the support chains on the side.
Yes, and those are mostly just decorative.
Oh.
So I just did that for fun. You really don't need the chains.
Looks legit with a touch of metal, some accessory, if you will. And then you built out this flower box.
Yes, so the flower box I did on the ground as well with the front piece. And I honestly just eyed it and hoped that it worked out. So I just used the same, like the baseboards, and glued it all together.
Okay, now the fun part comes when you get to decorate. Is this vinyl removable?
Yes, so this is the best part. It is removable. You can customize it to baby shower, wedding, graduation party, whatever, and you can just remove it.
Okay, inside the front box is some floral foam.
Yes, so I grabbed, I just put the foam inside, and you can probably tell, but I did use some fake flowers, and you'll see this side is not as filled. So I did a lot on this side, but I did some fake flowers to like fill it and make it really full.
Well, that's where the imperfection of any measurements, I'm not seeing any imperfections, but as you self-proclaimed, you kind of eyeballed it. That's where it really wouldn't matter much because you're filling it in with such fun movement.
Covering it. So
what have you reached for here in terms of flowers?
So I just went and grabbed tons of different kinds. So I have some baby's breath. I love this. I try and keep it so I started with the baby's breath and just tucked that in. So I keep it with each, but I'm gonna have you start. And you can just put it wherever you want. You just want to fill it in.
What are some events you've used this for?
So I've just used this for baby showers. Okay. But I rent this out sometimes, and it is going for a wedding.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, so whatever people want,
and so easy to come together.
Yes, and you don't even have to put it in. There's foam in there, but I've also just shoved it in the front, right? So it can kind of tuck down and whatnot. So.
Emily, I love it. Super cute.
Thank you.
And it becomes that show-stopping piece, whether it's at the front door or whether it's around the food table. It becomes that party piece.
It really is. It's just a good focal point, just something fun.
All you need. All you need. Thank you so much. Where can we get more creative ideas from you?
I am on Instagram. It's MB Price, EMB Price.
Okay, you should be following. So many great creative ideas there. If you aren't, we'll link you over from our website. Nice job, sister.
Thank you.